Are you looking for a one-level townhouse community right here in Greensboro with a 2-car garage? If you are, then today you're going to want to check out this video. My name is Meredith Parsons. I'm a realtor. I live here and love it here. I want you to move here and love it here as much as I do. And if you do, this would be so awesome. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because each week I'm going to be taking a little tour, a little venture of all things Greensboro Triad area, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. You ready to go check out this amazing townhouse community? Let's go. Today we are at the villas at Eagle Point, and that was started in the earlier 2000s. And then the second section of the neighborhood is called Eagle Point West Village. So what I love about this community is awesome. It is what you're looking for. It's the unicorn. It is one level living, and not like a squinched up townhouse. It's spread out, and when you're in them, it feels like you're in a house. They each have like a little sunroom on it, and like right there, you could see you have your own patio. So when you drive in, there's a house back there, there's a house there, there's a house back there, and there's a house there. I mean, but it looks like a regular house. You're only just touching on that one little wall right there. But they're gorgeous, right? You've got siding, you've got the stonework there, and tons of light. So the location is right off of Wendover, and it's also close to 40. You're right by the loop. You're 15 minutes to the airport, and you're like 16 minutes to downtown. So the house prices here in this neighborhood, in the OG, the original, the average house price here is $313,000. That's for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house. They're all 2 bedrooms, and they're all 2-bath house. But they have ranged in price between $300,000 to $327,000. So we're in November. We're going back a year to November of 2023. And they range in size. There's 2 different floor plans. One's 1570, and then the other one's 1750. So that's about the size that you're getting for the houses here. With the 2-car garage, 1-level living. It's like the unicorn. It's what you're looking to downsize, right size, whatever you want to call it. And it's very hard to find, but they have them here, which is amazing. In the other community, that these look basically the same, right? It's the same floor plan. They're a little bit bigger. Those are 1,750 to 1,800 square feet, and they average at $192 a square foot. Those were built 2014 to 2018. So they are newer, and they have like better flooring, I would say. And so those are roughly around $350,000. So they are a little bit pricier. If you are here in an HOA community, I don't know any townhouse community that is not, you're looking to pay $282 a month. But what you get is a clubhouse, and you get a pool, and that's something great for this like little community. And they take care of everything outside, so you don't have to mow your lawn, you don't have to take care of the outside of your house, you don't have to do any of that maintenance-y stuff or replace roofs or do any of that. In terms of shopping, everything's close by. And you've got all the shops on Wendover. Lots of big box stores, lots of restaurants. There's too many to name. Those are more chains that are going to be on Wendover. And then if you're wanting local shops, I would say definitely head around town or downtown. And let's talk green spaces. So Hester Park is close by. You've got High Point, City Lake Park. I did a video of that when I did a video on Jamestown, so definitely check that out. That's like 12 minutes away. And then like your usual hotspots of Military Park, Burr Mill Park, and Country Park, they're all like 15 minutes away. Schools, you would be slotted for Alderman Elementary, Western Middle School, and Western High School. I appreciate you sticking to the end. I hope you learned all that you wanted to learn about the villas at Eagle Point, and also Eagle Point, the west section. And if you've got any questions or you want to see another neighborhood, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.